Matongoretio ni ndagitari Mercy Bob, marigitari aya na ataramu a mirire kuma kaunti ya Nakuru megũkorwo makiaraniria na muingi niguo guteithiriria kunina mathina maria mumanaga na mirire mioru. Ni kurumirira uthuthuria uria uronania ati kaunti ya Nakuru ni kumwe gwa kuria Aikari na makiria muno atumia mari na thina wa uritu gukira githimi undu uria uracungiriria mirimo ngurani.
And it's quite unfortunate because we are a developing country, but we are still seeing some of these civilized diseases of civilization. The cancers are here with us. High cholesterol levels, hypertension, diabetes.
Caroline Nyazikela ni aratariria thafari yake na uria akoretwo akigeria guthingata mirire miega.
I have really tried to reduce the portions on my plate, but every time I reduce them, the next time I eat, it's more because I get hungry.
We have seen an increase in hypercholesterolemia, what I was talking about initially, high cholesterol levels from highly processed foods. Yeah, so highly processed foods will pose a risk of developing high lipids, and with high lipids you develop some of these cancers like breast cancer and the like.
Uguoya wake ni gukorwo ati uritu uyu waya gugacungiriria ona thina makiria.
You tell us bread is not healthy for us because of the wheat and the weight it adds on our bodies. We drop the bread and resolve to the sweet potatoes and the ndomas and the potatoes, and when we eat them in excess.
Mihangwe no yukite oriri thibitari nene ya Nakuru ikoretwo ikiamukira namba nene ya arwaru a murimo wa cancer.
The higher your fat levels, the higher your cortisol levels. The higher your cortisol levels, which now trigger estrogen production, and the higher your estrogen, the higher your chances of developing breast cancer.
Kuringana na riboti ya uthuthuria wa ruhonge rwa ũgima mwega wa mwĩrĩ thĩinĩ wa thĩ, atumia nĩo magomeirwo nĩ mũrimũ wa cancer na njĩra nene ona gukira arume. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Ngina wa Wadiro.